Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a remote control. So this is a key central system, as you can see. Yeah, so let's open and see what's inside. Oh, that's good. So this is the unit, comes with two remotes, as you can see. So this, you need to pull it up to open the button. For the buttons, there is lock, unlock, silent and siren. Even this one, yeah, as you can see. Yeah, so you pull it down to cross. So these are the cables for the wiring. This is the LED indicate light. Yeah, so let's talk about the wiring, how we can wire this system. Okay, so these are the cables you need to use. Yeah, so let's start when powering this on. So the cables, so there is this thick one, the one with fuse. This one, the lead wire with 15 amp fuse. Yeah, so this one goes to the battery. This is permanent power 12 volts, which goes to the battery. The black one, as you can see, so this one, the black one, it's a negative. You can tap anywhere on the body, as you can see. As you all know, the entire body of the vehicle, it's negative. So the red one, it's positive. The black one, it's negative. Yeah, then you are able to power this. Then these brown ones, so there is two brown. Yeah, so this one, it's for the indicator. So you need to look for the cables that goes to the indicator. That's where you tap left and right. The pink one, yeah, so this pink one goes to the siren. Then the green one, if possible, this green one. Okay, yeah, so this green one goes to the power window. Yeah, so this green one goes to the power window. And there is also this LED, the small, this cable, yeah, it's black and red. This goes to the trunk. This is trunk release. If your vehicle have that feature for the trunk release, then this is where this cable goes. Okay. Yeah, so these are okay, let's see. So these are for central locking. So let me now explain well on this part. Yeah, so when you are using this motor to connect for the central locking, then you need to get these cables. So there is two orange and two yellow, two white. So these whites, yeah, so these whites goes to the central locking signal. Then the yellow one, when putting this motor, universal motor, then the yellow one, these two, you need to put them together, goes to the positive. Then this orange, these two, you need to put them together, goes to the negative, as you can see. Yeah, so these two needs to go to the positive, then these two needs to go to the negative. So let me try to work on this. So here I'm having a 12 volts power, as you can see. So I have positive and negative. So let me try if this will work on this system. Yeah, so what I was talking about, you get this 12 volts. This is constant power, which is 12 volts. And this is negative. Yeah, so this negative goes to the negative, as you can see. And then positive goes to the positive. As you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, so you need to insert the cables to avoid short circuits. You need to be neat when doing the work. Okay, so for now I'll just insert the positive, the negative can remain. Yeah, so then you get these two yellow. So these two yellow cables, you put them together. So these we need to put them together, then goes to the positive. So this needs to go to the positive. Okay, then these two, the orange ones, this needs to go to the negative. So you put them together. So this, you put them together and goes to the negative. Then this remaining white, this goes to the universal motor. That's where this goes. So let's try to see if it will work or not. Okay, so let's try. So this goes to one of this, so there is positive and negative also. So we try. Okay, so everything is connected. So let's try to connect this pin to the unit. Okay, now let's go. Yeah, as you can see, so it's now working. So this one, okay, let me put this one. So this one needs to go to the other side. So this one is positive, the bone is positive, which is lock. Then the green one, it's unlock. Okay, so as you can see, so when I press lock, that's unlock. Now when I press unlock, then when I press lock, yeah, it locks. Then unlock, it opens. Then lock, it locks. So that's how this thing works. As you can see, when I press unlock, yeah, when I press lock, yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. You can leave a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every time I upload the video, you get a notification. Thank you.